The Federal Reserve left interest rates unchanged today after 3 rate cuts last year. This is a sign the central bank is still concerned about some inflation.
And Fox 4's Shaun Rabb has a closer look at the Fed's decision.
The U.S. economy expanded at a solid pace last year and is coming into 2026 on a firm footing.
An overall healthy view of the economy weighed heavily in the Federal Reserve Board's decision to not lower interest rates again right now after 3 consecutive cuts. The rate remains 3.5 to 3.75%. Inflation has eased from the high levels in 2022, but still higher than the target 2%. And Chair Powell says job gains have remained low.
A good part of the slowing in the pace of job growth over the past year reflects a decline in the growth of the labor force due to lower immigration and labor force participation, though labor demand has clearly softened as well.
Not lowering the interest rates again means no help for people looking to borrow money or buy houses or get a car loan. But overall, the economy, Powell says, is doing well.
Available indicators suggest that economic activity has been expanding at a solid pace. Consumer spending has been resilient, and business fixed investment has continued to expand.
Beyond policy, Powell pressed on politics. The Fed chair was asked why he went to the Supreme Court last week for oral arguments on whether President Donald Trump has the authority to remove Lisa Cook from the Federal Reserve's Board of Governors.
I would say that that case is perhaps the most important legal case in the Fed's 113-year history. And as I thought about it, I thought it might be hard to explain why I didn't attend. In addition, Paul Volcker went to a Supreme Court case famously in, I guess, 1985 or so. So it's precedented, and I thought it was an appropriate thing, and I did it.
Powell's term ends in May. Asked what advice he might give the next Fed chair, part of his answer?
Stay out of elected politics. Don't get pulled into elected politics. Don't do it.
Other than that political advice, Powell gave no indication of what would happen when the board gets together again, saying when asked if he would cut rates in the future, we'll simply let the data tell us where to go.